حضرت لكم ملخص لمجموعة من البي سي تيبس والتريكس هتساعدكم في الشغل على الكمبيوتر جدا جدا. If you have a computer you need to hear this PC tip. Jump over to the search bar and type in startup apps. Then after that you're gonna deselect every app you don't want. Coming up, this will going to allow for much faster boot time. Control Shift Windows. This will reset your graphics drivers. Use when you feel slow. Second, have you closed a tab and you cannot find it? If that happens, Control Shift plus T, you will find the tab. Third, before the last step, please subscribe. It means a lot. Open your favorite, Alt plus R. If you have NVIDIA card, it will give you FPS, frame per second number.
Do not forget to subscribe.
Tip number 1, go to taskbar, search for phone link. You can link your phone now, Android or iPhone, to Windows PC. Once connected, you can send or receive SMS message using Windows PC. Second tip, search for power toys. You will get all the utilities, useful utilities of Windows. Windows Control T, keep the active window on the top, whatever you use it. Windows Shift T, it extract text from anything, picture. Tip number 3, go to the bingo logo on your taskbar. This open ChatGPT, you can ask for anything.
Do not forget to subscribe.